Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a topic that might make some Apple fans a little nostalgic and others a bit anxious. It's about two iconic iPhones joining the obsolete club. But what does this label really mean for users? Let's explore. Imagine having a beloved iPhone 4 or iPhone 5, devices that were once the pinnacle of smartphone technology. Well, Apple has just announced that these models are now considered obsolete, meaning they've reached the end of their official support life cycle. This is a natural part of Apple's product life cycle management, but it can be a bittersweet moment for owners. The iPhone 4, with its 8GB variant, was a powerhouse back in 2011. It's fascinating to think that a device that was once so sought after is now considered obsolete. What this really highlights is the relentless pace of technological advancement. In just a few years, devices go from being the hottest thing on the market to becoming vintage, and eventually, obsolete. It's a cycle that Apple manages meticulously, with devices moving to the vintage list after 5 years and then to the obsolete list after 7 years. Now, the iPhone 5 has an interesting story. It was the first iPhone with a Lightning port, a feature that sparked both excitement and controversy. It was also the world's best-selling smartphone for a brief moment in time. But now, it shares the same fate as the iPhone 4. This transition to obsolescence is a reminder of how quickly technology evolves and how it can leave even the most cutting-edge devices behind. What's intriguing is that while Apple won't provide official parts or repairs, third-party services might still be able to breathe new life into these devices. However, the catch is the potential lack of genuine parts, which could impact the quality of repairs. This situation raises a deeper question about the sustainability of our tech consumption. Are we too quick to let go of devices that could still serve us well? March has been a whirlwind for Apple, with new product launches, discontinuations, and updates. It's a constant cycle of innovation and renewal. But as we embrace the new, it's essential to reflect on the old. These obsolete iPhones are more than just devices, they are a part of Apple's rich history. Personally, I think it's a reminder to appreciate the technology we have and to consider the environmental impact of our constant upgrades. So, the next time you hold an older iPhone, remember the journey it's been on. It's a testament to the rapid evolution of technology and our ever-changing relationship with it. From my perspective, it's a fascinating narrative that every tech enthusiast should be aware of. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world and the stories it has to offer.